Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Jonathan back with me. You're excited to be here, I can tell.
I am. Super excited.
So this is, I guess it is technically a membership. We're not doing anything involved with the membership. We each have an Everlywell testing kit. Everlywell does not know we're filming this. We paid for these in full. We both have different food sensitivities that we are constantly guessing and playing with, and we thought this would be a great way to confirm some of our suspicions.
Yep.
And then if we confirm some of the suspicions, then seek probably really medical help. I already have a gastro doctor who has diagnosed me as fructose intolerant, I don't know, 2 years ago. But I've been super suspicious that I'm gluten intolerant. I also think he's gluten intolerant.
I really hope not.
Because we also think you're dairy intolerant. And we know that I have malabsorption. So just as food as a whole, my body doesn't like to absorb it. Super fun, right? So this test was $159. I do have a link below. When you click on that link, it's gonna pop up the latest coupon offer if you guys wanna order one. But they have so many tests, but they also do have a membership. They have 2 membership options, a controlled proactive health option. There's 14 different tests. They arrive monthly and you pay $24.99 a month for the one test. If you want to add on additional tests, they're 20% off. And the tests that you get that are normally $24.99, their normal price is like $49.99. So there really is, I looked into that, there really is a savings to do the Everlywell membership.
That's cool.
Yeah. And here's the cool thing. With the controlled proactive health, which has 14 options, you get free telehealth visits and educational webinar. Webinar? Webinar. That's what I meant to say. Okay. I want to say it's going to gross me out. Do you know that that's yours and this is mine? Does it matter?
You should have a thing inside.
This is mine? Okay. So on top, I'm going to cover up this code because I think it's like a personal thing. It has this little barcode that you go and you register your box. Once your test kit arrives, you register at everlywell.com using the unique ID in your box. Second, collect your sample in the comfort of your home, then mail it to the lab in the prepaid shipping thing. Then it says receive your results in days. Receive physician-reviewed digital results. So, kits include alcohol prep pad, collection card, Lancet ×2, a bio bag, gauze, bandage, return envelope. So we're gonna have to prick our fingers. Yay. It says like how to provide enough blood and how is not enough blood.
Yeah.
That's a good thing you're here because I would be like, I would be one of the half-filled options.
More blood.
So number 1, watch the video online to learn how to do this. 2, prep your space.
Okay, space is prepped.
3, fill out card. So I'm gonna put my own little disclaimer. We are about to prick our fingers with a baby needle and there's gonna be blood. Okay. 4, warm your hands.
I think our hands are pretty warm.
Choose a finger. Find a spot on your right or left side of your ring finger. Clean with alcohol prep pad. So, right or left side of your ring finger. I'm going for the bad finger. What are you going for?
This one, I guess.
Which one? Right or left of your ring finger. That is
Oh,
your
this is my ring finger.
No, right or left of your ring finger.
Oh. I can pay attention, I promise.
Use Lancet, twist off top to open it, then press the Lancet down on your finger to puncture skin. Use the extra Lancet if you need it. So there are 2. These are called the Lancet things. Show them yours, and yours is open. Drip blood on each circle, fully filling each circle. I can't tell if I'm about to freak out or not.
You want me to go first?
No, I think that's worse, right? I'm supposed to go first if you're the one freaking out. Twist off top, press the Lancet down your finger to puncture skin. So like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it first.
Oh, it didn't work.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, there it goes. So you push a little pressure on it.
It like made a noise.
Yeah, it's because
keep your blood going. It says it'll stop.
It's spring loaded. Okay, so do all of them?
Yes.
And you just drop it down, right?
Yes, and fill the whole circle. Ah! so gross.
It really doesn't hurt.
No, I agree. It doesn't hurt. It can't hurt. It just... It literally says, drip blood onto each circle, fully filling each one before moving to the next. Do not touch or tap on the collection card. Let your blood drip. Milk your finger for more blood.
Milk in my finger.
Ew.
Milk in my finger.
Blip, 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 blip.
Hardest part is getting like in the center.
That's what it said. I don't know if your third one's gonna work.
Don't worry, I got more blood.
Once you have confirmed your circles are filled, you can put on your Band-Aid.
All right.
Whoa, okay. Okay, people. That's John's blood.
How'd I do?
I think you did good.
Yeah.
Hey, you can put your Band-Aid on.
Right, this is my gauze sponge, I guess, to clean it.
Sure.
Yeah.
So look, you're all... Okay, so we're gonna do mine.
Okay. This is good.
This kind of stuff, it's such a psychological game. I
Yes.
know I'm fine.
100%.
But I panic like crazy.
Would you like me to do it for you?
No, I feel like I need to be an adult about this. Push down, right?
Uh-huh. No, wait a minute, hold on.
Am I turning colors? I'm sweating.
Is it really?
So bad.
Well, yeah, it's because you gotta keep your hands warm. Yeah.
Oh, what? I feel like... Just do it, right?
Yeah.
You do it.
Okay.
No. I think that's worse.
Okay.
Wait.
Did you drop your card?
Yeah, go get my card.
All right, get your card.
There's a lot of panicking. While I'm freaking out, comment below, are you a John or a Sam? You're just gonna do it?
Yeah,
or
just gotta
do
get
you
it
have
over
to
with.
have some fanfare?
Just gotta get it over with. See, I'm already done. If you would have gone first,
So,
you'd already be done.
Like that.
Yeah, me on that.
No, I don't think it's clean.
Come on, I'll do it for you. I'll be gentle.
Okay. We gotta make this go. Go. Oh my gosh, these things are huge. Oh, it's not coming out.
Gotta milk it. Gotta milk
Ew.
it. Yeah.
Go.
Make sure you're in the middle. Make sure you're on the circle.
How thick is my blood?
There you go. I mean, you missed the center.
I
but
missed the circle!
It's cool.
Stop.
Oh, hey, that was...
Hey!
You almost got in the center on that one.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it does get easier. It starts going more after the first one's super hard. Okay.
Oh yeah, I did the same thing. I didn't have my cloth ready. Oh, you have your cloth ready. That's your alcohol pad.
Okay.
I'll get your Band-Aid for you.
Ugh. Jeez. What's funny is
You just got your nails done too.
I did just get my nails done. Aren't they pretty? Okay, show. Oh, here. Well, I already packed his card away.
Oh, you did? That was
Yeah.
fast.
Like, is yours better? Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so here's my feedback. John's exactly right. The first one after the prick is kind of hard. Like the blood doesn't get flowing, and then after like a couple of drips, the blood just starts flowing, and it's no big deal. But the first one was a little bit of a delayed thing. The prick really isn't that bad. Psychologically, it's really bad.
Psychologically, you gotta get
And
past. Let somebody else do it for you.
IRL, it's not really bad. Okay, so then we just put this in here, seal it. Okay. Bam. So what we'll do is we're gonna send this off. We'll wait for our results and then come back and film again so we can chat with y'all to see what we think. I am suspicious of gluten. I already know that I am fructose intolerant and that I have just in general malabsorption as a whole. You are...
Probably, definitely dairy, lactose intolerant, but I'm suspecting maybe gluten.
So they do say, like, this is not an official food allergy test. It cannot determine lactose intolerance or celiac disease, which is kind of like the two things we just told you.
But it tells you what foods, the specific
Yes.
foods you might be more allergic
Which it
to.
has like 96 different foods it checks.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll be back once we have our results. Okay, we're back. We have our results on our phones. I have above average reactivity on 17 foods.
I don't have any high reactivity to any foods.
None?
None. I don't have any high. I have some mild ones.
So my one highly reactive is cow's milk.
Which is weird because I'm lactose intolerant, for sure.
I definitely think you're lactose intolerant.
I think we might have gotten a results switch because of that one thing right there.
We put our name on the card.
I know, it couldn't have happened, but...
you don't have cow's milk at all?
I'm mildly reactive.
I live with this man. It's more than a mild reaction. Just saying. What is your moderate reactivity? I have one.
I don't have any moderate.
Mine says pineapple.
Oh, that's
very
sad.
sad.
Yeah.
My pizza's gonna suck.
Yeah, there's no pineapple.
No
on your
cheese, there's
pizza.
no pineapple, and there's no crust. Okay, what about mild reactivity?
Chicken,
Oh.
coffee,
Oh.
cow's milk, eggplant, it's a weird one, lamb, pineapple,
Okay.
sesame, and turkey.
I'm not gonna list mine because I have 15. But all of my mild reactivity
So sad.
is related to my fructose. So my diagnosis from a doctor of fructose intolerance backs it up with a lot of the things that are on here. Asparagus, banana, crab, eggs, ginger. It does have gluten listed for mine there. Green peas, kale, mozzarella, rye, wheat, winter squash, yogurt. And then I have 79 foods with like normal reactivity.
I have 88 with normal reactivity.
How weird. I'm weirded out on the milk thing. Now I wouldn't be surprised if I was lactose intolerant, but that's weird. So, okay, so the results are not what we expected.
No.
It does say, consider planning an elimination diet. This test shows you the food your immune systems react to, but it does say that like if you ate a prepackaged meal or took a vitamin or did something in the last few days, it will affect this test.
Really?
Yes. So it says do the elimination diet, which is what we're in the midst of. We started to eliminate gluten about 2 months ago, and both of us feel a million times better. I was actually physically getting ill. I had reached a point where I was getting really bad, and you've cut back on dairy.
Dairy and gluten.
Difference?
Yeah, actually, I do. So now that we've done this, I think our next step is going to be to actually go in, and I need to get a medical diagnosed gluten.
Go see a doctor.
And lactose.
Yeah. Getting my diagnosis for my fructose intolerance with the doctor was super easy. I went through like 2 years of an elimination diet and torture and trying to self-diagnose. Went in to see my gastro doctor, and he did a series of like 4 tests. 3 of them I was like, fine. Oh, I did a lactose test with him. I was mildly reactive, remember? On the scale of 1 to 10, I was like a 5. So he said, you're not all the way, you're just middle way, you're a 5. So that does confirm this.
Okay.
But then the last one I did was a fructose test, and I was like a 15 out of 10. And I was so sick. He had to drive me back up to the doctor because I was just like shaking and it was horrible. So I can't say, I mean, I could have saved myself 2 years on that elimination diet if I would have just gone and seen a doctor.
Yep.
Or had this. Okay, so my test, this is my test. I'm feeling like it's rounding out. Okay, as a whole, I would say, yes, this is insightful.
It wasn't insightful for me only because everything was mild. So,
Yes.
So I don't have food, I'm not allergic to foods.
But now you know that.
Right. Oh, that's true.
I feel affirmed.
Good.
Like this, I feel affirmed in my craziness. If you guys want to do an elimination diet, like literally below the diagnosis, it talks about how to do a quick elimination diet, how to do a phased elimination diet, how to do a broad elimination diet. It has a lot of FAQs, like if you're like, oh, well, that's not enough for me. We are barely brushing the surface. This thing breaks down minute information. I found the website to be easy and the app to be easy.
Yeah, it's very informative. Everything about this is, they break everything down into simple things and simple terms that we can understand with curated information based on our results, which is really cool.
Well, it says register for a food sensitivity results webinar for free. So you can meet with a health professional up to 45 minutes to talk about food sensitivity results. So yeah, and so as I think I mentioned before, we just did the food sensitivity test. There are a ton more tests, and then there is actually a monthly subscription for certain categories. And if you're in those certain categories and wanting to pursue those, it saves you a ton of money to sign up. So all of that information is below. Any coupon codes I have below, links below, and all that good stuff. Okay, yay! I feel so affirmed. All right, guys,
Good.
thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.